You know, so if you can't catch Quaco, you catch him shot them, right? All of the gangs in them, the marina, all of them. You know that, right?
Everton daily would mad for touch none of them. Yeah. You and Destiny, I'm a first priority. I not make no harm reach none of them.
Is either you're 100% blind or you're super arrogant. And I think we can't manage this no more. And I think we can't do this.
Let's see. I not understand so. Explain what you mean by you can't manage this no more. But don't deal with that already. What you talk about? You have something where you want to tell me?
I'ma just tell you. Chris, you not get it, you know? Me, I cannot be with a man who only business about himself and don't care about my safety. If me there with you, I'm supposed to feel secure, and a part of security is safety. You supposed to know that.
So, you say, me no make you feel safe. Hold on there, man. I can't that. I have something else. Nobody no come at you no way. Nobody no threaten you. Unless it happen, you know, tell me.
Wait. Hold on. Oh, you know that? You have me under surveillance? You have somebody who watch me 25 years? Oh, you know, so nobody never come circle me.
What's it? What you tell me, sis?
Oh, that drop in. When Mitzi have to do with the conversation.
Mitzi called me out of blues one day and asked me if everything alright with me and you. And that right after me and you don't have the argument in our car. So it's obvious say you not talk or not chat me say.
So wait, I couldn't say she system depressed or something wrong. Maybe I forgot to go talk to her, and why she call you just like that?
Don't ask me. Are you a friend?
Yeah, I'm my friend, but if you did set up a boundary from a long time, should not call you and talk about me and you. And let's not forget the other day when I come and say she wipe it down like your windscreen.
How she get my number for you to call my phone?
I mean, if I ask you that.
Hold on them. You know so she begged me to call one time. I wonder if I saw she get it.
How convenient.
So, what you suggest?
Me? Me not suggest nothing, love.
No, but it sure say I say. Me just give your friend my number. Why would I do that?
When you ask me, say, no, you have all the answers. Remember, say you solve the puzzle, you know. Remember, say you are Hercules. You figure it out.
What's it? You have somebody else?
You give me somebody else? I ask you a question. You give me somebody else? Oh, weird. So Mitzi tell us that somebody come to me, because somebody come to me. You try to spin it now. You think you're slick. That's you think of that with you.
What's it? Mitzi never tell me say nobody come to you, you know.